Let's dive into how Invoice Factoring with E Squared Funding LLC works and address the question on everyone's mind: what does factoring cost? The process begins with a factoring agreement. This is where we determine if your business meets preliminary qualifications for invoice financing. We conduct a credit analysis using our extensive database on your clients, the account debtors who owe you money. The factoring agreement sets an initial credit line for your business, encompassing all the clients you plan to finance. This credit line provides the foundation for the funds will advance against your invoices. Next, you submit your invoices for the initial advance. The factor funds this advance, typically ranging from 80 to 95% of the value of the factored invoice. The specific percentage depends on factors such as the size of your client list, industry, transaction history, and recurring funding intervals. Now let's address the question: what does factoring cost? The factoring fee is calculated based on the number of days the invoice remains outstanding and can range between 0.69% to 4.9%. Allow me to walk you through a factoring example to make it clearer. You submit an invoice for $1,000 to the factor for a product delivered or service performed. The factor wires H funds into your bank account at 90%, which is $900, holding in reserve 10% or $100. Your client pays the invoice amount of $1,000 to the factor 40 days later, and the transaction is closed. The factor charges a 3% fee amounting to $30. Deducting this fee from the reserve, $70 remains. The factor then sends the remaining balance of $70 by wire H to your bank account. It's a seamless process designed to keep your cash flow flowing. Is your business experiencing cash flow shortages and in need of funding now? E Squared Funding LLC is here to provide a tailored solution for your unique situation. Call us today and take the next step towards sustaining success.